journey of 14 universes. Universes I am writing in short, UNI dot. From first universe to second universe. Let us have little understanding about it. If you are going for sightseeing, let us go Himalaya, let us go West Bengal, let us go west part of this India, north part, south part, everywhere. Let us go at the beach, let us go to different places. We have big temple called Vaishno Devi, Mansarovar, Kailash, so many things. Then go to the Taj Mahal, then come USA, Grand Canyon, Boston place, where the first tea party was arranged. There was fight started for democracy. So many places of USA, Canada, Niagara Falls, Grand Canyon, so many things, and CN Tower. Therefore, so many things in all over the world. If you are going to see, I am not telling it is not good, but this is sign symptom like we are like children, maybe whatever age, as children are busy in balloon, blowing, in toy, having the little bit car, playing, little bit helicopter, so many toys. Children are busy. Then eating ice cream and chocolate, so many things. This is something when we have great desire of visiting different places, and for that you are earning money, you are doing job, doing business, then this is not bad, but sign symptom that we are in the first universe in the stage of childhood. After that, roaming here and there, then we start doing academics, math and sciences, engineering, medical, so many things. Then we are having our journey from the state of childhood towards the state of elderlyhood. All right. Therefore, academics are not bad, it is very good, but it is all the first universe. We are good professor, having good job, good salary. We got Nobel Prize also, so many awards. Very good. But remember, we are within the first universe. Now, like Einstein, we have now understanding that whatever achievements we have in outward journey, that is not satisfying. We are feeling great vacuum. Therefore, Einstein was very much attracted to Mahatma Gandhi, that you are very well educated, academics, you have done the law, and in that you have attained very good division, first division, you have passed the law. At the young age, 22 years, you travel to outside different countries in order to give them relief. Therefore, remember, then Einstein was very much attracted. When Gandhiji traveled Africa, especially South Africa, and decided to make a change, all people should love each other. Then Einstein was listening this. All great persons were observing all the work activity of Gandhiji. Then Einstein very much had desire to work like Gandhiji, but it was not possible at that time. Therefore, remember, then what Einstein wanted? Now journey from first universe to second universe. How we should start here? Already you should observe, many persons are very rich, academically very high, all things they have, good family, good friends, everything, but they feel vacuum. Therefore, let us think about ourselves. We are practicing Kriyaga meditation. That is the greatest tool, that is the highest spiritual jet plane to cover 14 universes, to complete our journey of 14 universes. At present, if we are having very much effect of bodily changes, heaviness, lightness, comfort, discomfort, heat and cold, all these having a great effect on our mind. I do not want this, I want this. This is comfort, this is discomfort. It is pain, it is pleasure. Then we are struggling how to start our journey from first universe to second universe. But try to understand about Lahiri Maharshi. Banat Banat Banjai, teaching of the Bible. Knock and knock, door will be open. Teaching of human evolution. Strive and strive you will achieve. And keep on practicing it. At present when you sit longer, you feel that now body is not capable. What you feel, something like body has become tight. You cannot move. Both legs are numb. Something happens, but still we are within first universe. Keep on practicing more and more. Never have this thought you cannot do. We can do it. By repeated effort, one day you will realize the head to toe is what we feel. It is vibration made up of sound waves, light waves, electrical waves, but that is not injurious. Very different perceptions we realize. Just like I see here, something you will feel head to toe is like a vacuum, but that vacuum is filled with the different vibrations, light rays, sound waves, electronic waves, so many things. Then we are now entered into second universe. Moment try to accept it more and more, practice it more and more. Then we will enter into third universe, fourth universe. Then moment you will enter into fourth universe, then you will understand what is the science of ego, structure, function of ego, mind, intellect, everything. Then you will have great strength. Then you will see nothing is impossible. After that, when you will enter into next universe, you will realize we are children of God. Then we will experience all genetic behavior of God within. Then we will get a great opportunity to enter into infinite dimension of power, knowledge, peace, which is called eternal patience. Infinite patience. Then we will have right to enter into 14th universe. Then what is the conclusion? Practice and practice. Never feel that you cannot do it. Practice and practice. If each and that consciousness, which is called God, that power has become all creations. With the help of that power, somebody is eating meat, somebody is drinking alcohol, somebody is smoking, somebody is doing bad work, somebody is good work. Till you are involved in the practice, your journey, get away from mind from those things. Try to practice it, reach to that height. Moment you will reach that height, then you can solve all problems. Before that, if you are trying to solve, you will find very difficult. As we do not know how to fix a motor, but motor is not working. It is very important motor should work. Then let us do it. How you can do it without learning the science? In the same way, without learning the science, structure and function of ego and mind and sense organs, intelligence, we cannot help anyone. When we are trying to help, this is good symptom. If really we want to help, practice sincerely to reach to that stage that you must experience. Now you are in second universe. How you will feel? Body is like a vacuum filled with the sound waves. It is made up of sound waves. Other time you will feel it is made up of electrical waves. Then other time you will feel it is made up of light waves. So many things you will realize. but in that you will not feel discomfort. If discomfort is feeling, it means do not worry, we are in the first universe. Do not worry, practice and practice. One day you will realize you have entered into second universe. Like first gear, you get second gear. Then speed will be more, acceleration will be more. Then quickly will enter into third. Then acceleration will be more, speed will be more, velocity will be more. Then keep on entering into then third, fourth, fifth. Then speed will keep on increasing. Moment you are on the 13th universe, speed will be very high. There will not be any gravitational pull of any universe. Immediately you can release yourself into 14th universe. This is the important thing. By listening this, do not try to remember it. It is not easy to remember. Try to remember how to practice more and more. That's all. How to reduce complaint more and more. Just try this. Please practice. I will never leave you. You leave me. You go away. I never went away from anyone in the world. I have decided to serve you without any condition. I have decided to hold this body till I feel that everybody needs me. You should have no fear that I will die any day. No, nothing will happen like this. Therefore, let us decide again, dedicate again, practice Kriya Yoga with all devotion. With this message, let us bow down to this holy congregation, to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation. इस संदेश के साथ हम नमन करें इस सत्संग सभा को, क्रिया योग ध्यान में अपनी भक्ति को. Now return to original position. हम पूर्व स्थिति में आए. Open eyes, आंखें खोलें.